Hey guys, so today I am going to do a quick Romwe clothing haul. It's a bunch of fall pieces and I'll show you how I styled it. So let me show you what I got. This first piece I got is a super cute long sleeve top and it has lace detail at the bottom. I do like it, I just don't really like this ribbed material. It's a little see-through. I wish it were a little softer, but the lace detail really is super cute. And this is how I would style it, probably with like sweatpants. Also, I know this is a Romwe clothing haul, but majority of the items that I received came in Shein packaging, so I'm assuming they're just like the same company, but that's hilarious. Anyways, I also got this sweatshirt. I thought it was so cute. I'm actually gonna be living in this because it's so comfy. I love it. It says time speed. Wait, what does it say? Oh, time flies, I don't want to grow up, and that is such a fact. I also bought jeans, and I really love these. These almost look like PacSun dupes or Urban Outfitters. They are two-toned, and you guys, they are adorable. I really do love these. Highly recommend to get them. And they're a lot cheaper than like Urban or PacSun or wherever else you get your jeans. So I also got this white turtleneck crop sweater because I wanted to recreate Rachel's outfit from Friends, and I'm just waiting on the skirt to come in from Shein, but it's actually really cute. I do like it. I did buy a bigger size because I didn't want it to be as tight. I wanted it to be a little more loose. So this is a size large, and I think I forgot to mention the other sizes, but I'll definitely write them in the video. So that's that. I got this super cute little puff sleeve top. I think this is gonna be adorable. You could definitely dress this up or down, either with jeans or a skirt. So I'm excited to wear this out. Look at the sheer detail polka dots. I'm obsessed. So I also got this like blue cropped, I guess long sleeve. So you can wear it with sweatpants. I think that'd be perfect. And I got it because I really love the lace and the scrunch in the front, but I'm not really a fan of like this material per se. So yeah, this is personally isn't one of my favorites. I just wouldn't really recommend buying this one. I also got this little gray set. I think it's so cute. I think the top fits perfectly. This is the smallest size too, by the way. I think it's a small. Yeah. I think the top fits perfectly. I really do like it, but the bottoms are just a little too long for me. But when you sit and take like a mirror picture, it looks fine. But I do think they're a little too loose at the bottom, and they could have been a little more loose at the top, I think. This is such an odd detail to notice, but I really like the drawstring on these pants for some reason. If the material of the pants were like these drawstring, I think they'd be perfect. But personally, they're alright. They're pretty cute though. So I also got some biker shorts, and I really do like these, but if it's possible to get a smaller size, this is an extra small, so I think that may be the smallest. Personally, I would get an even smaller size because they are super high-waisted and still kind of big, but otherwise I think they'd be perfect for wearing under skirts and dresses if you wear shorts under skirts and dresses. I also got this super cute black puff sleeve, long sleeve top. I love this. I think the material is perfect. It's not see-through, and this would look so great with jeans or a skirt. I'm excited to wear this. I think this is perfect. I love this one. I also got this cropped hoodie sweater, or cropped hoodie. Yeah, cropped crop top hoodie. I don't know, but it's super cute and I do love this. Okay, I do love this. I think it's so cute. You can wear it with sweatpants, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing when I am in class because this is so comfy and cozy. I got this in a size medium, and I'm going to see if they have a larger size because it does like kind of sit like right under your boobs, but otherwise I think it's so cozy and I love it. My last piece is this super cute sweater. This is like my ideal fall sweater. I love this. I'm so excited to wear this, you guys, with jeans, with a skirt. It's probably one of my favorites. I got this in a size medium. I don't think it would make that big of a difference if you sized up one, which I might do if they have other colors. So I'm excited for that. Otherwise, I think that's all I got. So I'll show you everything I bought right now and how I styled it. And I think that's really all I have. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And stay tuned for a Shein clothing haul. I'm definitely going to do one of those. The package should be coming soon because I know I ordered one. There are going to be some super cute fall pieces, lots of skirts too. So stay tuned for that, and thanks again for watching.